Okay, and then once your discussion post is created, you can go back and forth with your classmates to comment on on the topics that you are discussing based upon your assignments or whatever there is to do in that week, and you can just click or make comments back and forth by typing here in the box and just posting it, and that's pretty much uh, um, an easy way to discuss different topics as well as any assignments or documents that have to be reviewed by your other team members. Okay, so I don't know if you remember from the last video, we talked about creating a join code. Well, I want to briefly discuss that real quick because one thing I failed to mention is that when you click on the members, you'll see that yes, you have a class code or a join code that we've created here, and then it is associated with a hyperlink that you can share with anyone who you'd like to join this class, this Wikispace classroom. But what I failed to mention is that they'll only have access to it for 7 days, but whoever you decide to invite via email to join this classroom will have access to this classroom indefinitely. So whereas we go in and we click invite and we type in the email addresses here, whoever we send this to will have unlimited access to this classroom. So you only want to send an invite via email to whoever you'd like to have unlimited access to the classroom. But whoever you'd like to maybe have temporary access for like a week, you could, or for 7 days, you can send them the hyperlink. So I just wanted to make sure I clarified that. And also, it shows you who we've sent access or who we've sent invitations to via email, and it shows them the pending statuses of whether they accepted the response or not. And basically, what happens is once you send the invite to your classmates or to whoever, they get an email that's very similar to this, and they have the option to join or decline, the Wiki Space classroom. And so once they join it, then that's when they gain unlimited access. All right, so I want to go ahead and show you before we conclude this tutorial how to personalize your settings, and it's very easy. You would just click on the settings button here, and then there on the left hand corner you'll see that there is the look and feel section, and you can click on themes and colors, and you have the ability to change the theme or to change the color of your classroom based upon your preference. So since blue is my favorite color, I'm going to select blue, and then we'll click apply. And there we are. So it's just kind of a fun way of personalizing your settings there so that, going forward, that is, what your classmates will see. And you also have the ability to create events and create projects, which are listed here. So like, let's say if you're doing a class project and you need to, let's say you want to create a project name, and for the sake of time, we'll just call this team work. So you just do that and click create. So, and then from that, then you would add your teams. So you can have the first team, team 1, 2, and 3, or you can change it to whatever name you'd like the teams to be, like if you prefer it to be groups 1, 2, and 3. And this would mainly more so be a useful feature for the instructors. And if you want to add like a fourth group, you can do so as well. And as you see, it's pretty smart there. It just, by adding that fourth group, it just automatically kind of went along the pathway that you produce. The other thing is if you have a spreadsheet, if you of like an Excel spreadsheet of usernames or team names, you could upload that as well, and it should populate here. And then so once you have all of the team names created, you would click on create teams here. And then from there, you um, can go in and rename the teams or whatnot. Also, you can add more teams if needed. And so it's a great way to kind of organize things, especially if you are an instructor and you really want um, your students to be broken up into certain teams or certain groups. So just wanted to share that with you all as well. All right, so I think that pretty much wrap things up regarding this training. If you have any questions, um, I will be including my information in this packet that I'm preparing to send to you. My contact information, that is, that way you can email me if need be, or you can give me a call. So again, this is James McKnight from Direct Connect, and if you have any other questions, again, you can reach out to me. But if not, good luck.